Hello, tech enthusiasts! If you're battling with your Elgato Cam Link not showing video, you are not alone. Many face this hiccup, but don't worry. This guide will walk you through how to fix Elgato Cam Link not showing video. Whether you're setting up your stream or planning a video call, getting your devices to cooperate is crucial. So, let's dive into how you can troubleshoot and resolve this common issue. Step 1. Check your connections. The first and simplest step in fixing your Elgato Cam Link not showing video is to ensure all connections are secure. Inspect your HDMI cables and USB connections to make sure they're firmly connected. Sometimes the issue is as straightforward as replugging a loose cable. Also, confirm that you're using a high-speed HDMI cable for optimal performance. Step 2. Update your software. Next, ensure that both the Elgato software and your computer's operating system are up to date. Out-of-date software can lead to compatibility issues. For the Elgato Cam Link, you'll want to download the latest drivers and firmware from the Elgato website. Additionally, check for updates on your streaming software, whether it's OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or another platform. Software updates often fix bugs that could be causing video issues. Step 3. Set the correct video source. Ensure that the Elgato Cam Link is set as the correct video source in your streaming or video software. In OBS, for example, go to the Sources panel and choose Video Capture Device, ensuring that the Elgato Cam Link is selected. Sometimes the software defaults to another camera or device, causing the video to not display as expected. Make sure your capture card is being correctly recognized and prioritized. Step 4. Adjust the video resolution. Next, verify that the video resolution settings are compatible between your camera and the Elgato Cam Link. If they're mismatched, the Cam Link might not show video. Access your camera settings and ensure it's outputting a resolution the Elgato Cam Link supports, typically 1080p or 720p at 30 or 60 frames per second. Then, match these settings within your capture software. Step 5. Test on another USB port or computer. If you're still encountering issues, try using a different USB port or another computer to rule out hardware malfunction. USB ports can sometimes fail or underperform due to power limitations or compatibility issues. Testing on another device helps identify whether the issue is with your computer or the Elgato Cam Link itself. Step 6. Seek Elgato support. If your Elgato Cam Link is still not showing video after following these steps, it might be time to seek help from Elgato support. Visit their website where you can find troubleshooting guides, forums, and an option to open a support ticket. The Elgato team can provide further assistance specific to your situation. Fixing an Elgato Cam Link that's not showing video can be frustrating, but following this structured approach should resolve most issues. Check your connections, update your software, set the correct video source, adjust your resolution settings, and test with different hardware. If problems persist, Elgato support is your final stop for getting back to seamless streaming. These steps will help you enjoy a smooth and hassle-free video experience. Happy streaming.